Hello Linux lovers, my name's Wimpy, welcome to my world. This is a quick mid-afternoon live stream to add something to my OBS setup I've been meaning to do for ages, and specifically to our hotshot racing set that we use when we're playing hotshot racing, which we will be doing later today. So I've been wanting to add channel points to this setup for ages so that people watching the racing can do things in order to interact with the setup live. And I think I have some of this working, and I'm going to try some of it now. I haven't actually tested this yet, so I'm doing it for reals in the live chat. And I think I don't even know how to do these things. So that apparently didn't work. Let's just go here. So maybe I don't need the... Yeah, I do. That does need to be hooked up there. So if I manage this, I'm just trying some things. If I hit that, so that bit works. That bit triggers the appropriate thing. As you can see, I've got OBS on that screen there. Maybe I'll yeah, okay, and that should roll back in about 60 seconds or so. So it works from there, but it doesn't appear to work when I do it in the Twitch chat itself. So I wonder why that is. Let's have a little think. What if I just type that in Twitch chat? Does that do anything? I wouldn't know. Well, part of this works at least. So, let's have a little think. If I edit that, the reward name is that thing there. And can I see, how do I see the rewards? So that's switched back. That's done the right thing. Hey, how you doing there? I'm just trying to figure out how to do some of this stuff, and it's not exactly working. So, and I'm not certain why. So I'll just change a couple of things. I'm just gonna edit one of these. So allow the command save. Let's try that again. I literally don't know what I'm doing. This is why I'm doing this now, to see if I can get this to work. Let's try that. No, apparently not. Oh, am I doing this entirely the wrong way? Do I have to click on something else? How do I even do this? Let's do that to start with. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to expose the channel points. Oh, hang on a minute. So Takeoff has in fact done the thing, but it didn't do anything. So there's a disconnect somewhere between my OBS and the channel point name, because I can see Takeoff has triggered the 1UP thing. So yeah, and you did that doing bang 1UP. Yes, okay. And that was using channel points. You redeemed points, but it didn't do the thing. What it should have done is, if I click a button over here, I'm just going to edit this button again, because like I say, I'm not certain I know how this is doing. Reward name. So it says here, add the name of the custom Twitch reward to link it to this trigger. So I'm just going to go and double check. My reward name is 1UP. That is the reward name. Copy. And it's definitely those two. So if I go here and I put that in, and then this bit here says enabling this to activate the trigger. Can only be activated by disable this. Okay, so let's just try allow command for the moment. Save. Allowed by everyone. Manage the action, and it does that. So that's going to do the right thing. And if I, just for the purposes of testing, let's make this 10 seconds. Hit save. And hit preview. Okay, so it's definitely meant to move over there, and in 10 seconds it should switch back. So the actual, like, integration to OBS is working, but the connection from this to Twitch doesn't appear to be working. So let's say we've done this. Let's think. How can I... This here says, hey Luke, something to spend 60. Well, this is exactly the point, right? There's people with channel points and I'm trying to find a way to make it fun. So, and I thought I'd start simple, but it turns out even simple's a little bit beyond me. So I'm just going to try bang one up here. And that has done nothing. And if I look here, it doesn't even recognize that I've attempted to do that. So can I display channel rewards? Channel point reward queue. Add that. So hopefully I can see what the heck's going on. Okay, so I can add that to my dashboard. And there I can see. So I can see there's one request. So I can see you did that. And I'm not going to mark it as complete yet because it didn't work. So indeed. You look away. Yeah, I've taken away that because I only put that to have something in there. I'm going to add all of these other things, but I can see these. This is so frustrating. What's the disconnect here? It's close. It's close because I can poke the buttons and it does do things. Save that. Save that. I wonder if I log out of this and log back in. I wonder if that will help. So let's try that. Log out, log back in. It says authorizing. Okay. Connect. Right. Let's try this again. The idea is to automate through the Twitch API. Yes, exactly. So, in fact, and that is kind of working. Okay, I think I've got half of this going. But I don't know if I'm prohibited from redeeming my own channel points. So that's one issue. And the other is, it's just, why is this not doing the right thing? How annoying. So I've created a bunch of these that, for example, if I run a preview on this should switch to the 4-player view. Yeah. Oh, actually, no, this was the face view. So this is doing the right thing, even though I said the wrong thing. And in 30 seconds, it should move back to the scene that I was previously on. And I can see you trying to redeem points. I wouldn't, because I don't think it's working at the moment. But I can see that you're doing it, which is good. So I can see those are coming through. And these transitions are hold. So what it'll do is it'll do the transition, hold for a period of time, and then switch back like so. But I'm not seeing I'm not seeing it actually trigger the thing with the channel points, which is right annoying because that's like the critical bit and I don't know why it's not working. So how annoying. Thanks for the resub, Yannick. Right then, so key question, can we use any of these redeems to throw you off? Maybe, I don't think so. So it should all be automatic. That's the thing. That's the whole point of this, is that it should be possible to just, for people to just trigger these, and it's effectively like me when I'm pushing the buttons. The idea is that it can switch the views. So I've got a thing here called 3up, and if I suggest you don't try and redeem these at the moment because you're just going to be wasting points whilst we figure this out. But if I manage that action and hit preview, this is the 3-player view of the game that is designed to trigger. The idea is that people watching can change the in-game views, and I've got some fun little ones. So Yannick, I have indeed been working on precisely that, and that's what I was hoping I was going to be able to get to, is when people win, viewers will be able to say, yes, Yannick won, and things will happen. That's like what I'm trying to get to with this, and I just need this integration to function, and it's not, and I don't know why. So, or at least half of it's not working, but it's the important half. It's the bit that speaks to Twitch isn't actually doing anything. How frustrating. Can we Monica, I don't think I haven't thought of these things. Yes, I have thought of the, not just Monica, but you know, whoever comes last, there can be, you know, points to redeem for, you know, the last person across the line and all of this stuff. Okay, let's just go back to basics. Let's create a new, what does, and why do I need to do that? Oh, hello. Oh, what's all this? OBS server, we know about that. Yeah, okay, so I can bypass the cooldowns, okay. Quite frustrating. So close to being there. So what am I missing? I thought that I'd done all of the right stuff. Edit this. It's that, okay. Yeah, well, Yannick, that's wishful thinking on your part, I think, there, but advanced, what's under here? Command enter. What's this? Be. Okay. Allow specific triggers to be okay. That we don't need any of that stuff just yet. This is all more complex stuff that I don't care about. I just want the basics, which is 1up. Add the name of the custom Twitch reward to link to the trigger. I mean, I'm assuming I don't have to actually put bang in front of that. Let's assume I do. Now let's hit save and save again. And now I'll do. Nope, that doesn't appear to have done anything. Well, this is deeply frustrating. What am I missing? Hey, Big Pod, you're going to waste your points at the moment because it's busted. And I don't know why. Pause. Redemptions. Encourage your viewers. So, bother. I'm going to have to go away and do some research, I think, because I thought this was just going to work. And the reason that I came on stream is because in order to test the last piece, which is typing things in chat, that, you know, it needed to be up and running, but for whatever reason it's not working, and it isn't clear why. I was sure I was doing all of the right things. So let's just turn off the cooldown limits for that. Don't require anyone to enter any text. Background colours, we don't care about any of that. Skip reward, if enabled, only future viewer requests. What? If enabled, only future viewer requests will skip the queue for review. Oh, do I have to... Okay, let's try this. Which one did I just edit? Skip the requests queue. Okay, let's try this again. Now I don't know if I've actually broken it by changing something else, so let's edit this over here. That's that. Reward name. Case sensitive. Definitely not being a DMMI. That is definitely the reward name. And it's a custom reward. Okay. Okay, copy that. Definitely put the same thing in here. Save. And save. No. Hello there. Hello, everyone that's joining. This is well, it's not demo gods. This is actually like in production testing that doesn't work. So it's deeply frustrating. So I don't know what to make of that. Well, I think I'm going to have to go away and give this some more thought, because I thought this was going to be easy, and it turns out I'm clearly not doing something right. Yeah, I mean, so half of this is working. The half that I've got here, I can, you know, click things. And in fact, I'm gonna create part of this that I was working on. So if I go to this view, okay, well, imagine for a moment that I'm playing a game in there. This, in fact, we won't do this view whilst I prepare it, because it's a bit ugly.
Thank you for the follow, Toma855.
Thanks very much for the follow. I appreciate that. Bad stream to join, because this is the stream where I'm making zero progress on the thing I'm working on, but we're just going to see if we can improve things slightly. So we're going to create one here that is me winning, apparently. This is not something I expect to get triggered very often. So if we manage the action, we want to do what? We want to do two things. We want to do a source toggle set toggle, source toggle duration for 10. Scene is the current scene, and then we want to do this so it's my camera, which is, gosh, my camera's got a weird name, Oh, current scene. No, not current scene. So I actually need to pick the right camera. Okay. Do that one. And then say that. And toggle that for 10 seconds. If I hit save. By now, I'm going to push a button here. So this is the idea for like the win conditions, is that I can do things like this. And it should turn itself off again, just like that. There we go. So this bit's working. So if I save that and save that, I can now... I wonder if actually if I disconnect this from Twitch. So this is not connected to Twitch. So, well, let's try. Let's try actually banging that command in and see if it works without any Twitch integration. So I'll just try and sidestep Twitch. No, it doesn't work. So it's actually... I've missed something fundamental here, I think, on my integration side, because that didn't do anything either. So I think I'll have to have a little think about that. So the next thing I need to do is let's just try something random. I will just copy that and I will add it as a source here.